Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hello world, my name is Darylyn. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. So today we'll be talking about cryptocurrency overall and Bitcoin. Amazing spike today this morning that has happened. Right now we are at 5 p.m. Eastern time, sitting on a Bitcoin that is around $7,800. Let's just refresh this page right there. So of course, Bitcoin has been kind of bullish overnight. So we are wondering, is Bitcoin right now in a bull run? Is this the beginning of a bull run? Are we still in a bear market? Should we FOMO in? Should we still do our own research? Should we sit down? We don't know exactly what to do right now. So we will discuss looking at technical analysis and seeing the overall picture of Bitcoin if we should hop in, right? So Bitcoin right here, 7,800, Ethereum at 483. Just a couple of days, I think Ethereum was at 360, which is a great price. I could have bought in. Anyone could have bought in and just made a profit out of there. Litecoin a little bit slow, not really jumping. EOS, of course, has been jumping on. Of course, today is 12%, but in the past days, it has jumped over 50%. So huge gains for that. So yeah, the pretty green. The market cap is pretty green. A lot of the coins, as we know, in a couple days, it will turn bearish, right? It's gonna be red. It can't always stay green. So right now, it's sitting at 310 billion, right? So that's huge. I mean, I think an hour, just an hour from today, right? It was sitting under $300 billion, right? Since the past days, we were sitting around 250 billion, so a huge spike, as we can see in the market cap right here. So we're just gonna see in the last 7 days. Of course, you can look out maybe Coin Checkup, another place where you can check and see the market cap and all the coins. So you see the spike up right here. We're around 275 billion, even 250 billion at some point, and we just made this huge jump right here. So I would tell you just to be careful, but we're gonna see in technical analysis why we should take a watch and be careful not to jump in. So short term, yes, as we can see, why is the reason why so many people have been hopping on Bitcoin and why it has jumped so high? Simply reason, technical analysis we can see right here. Okay, so we're just gonna see the long picture right here. I strongly suggest you guys to change from log to take out the log scale um, and have the linear one. This is more, I use it more to see the short-term pictures, and I will show you why basically Bitcoin basically has this huge surge, right? Just a moment, just gonna try to fix this graph. Oh, nope, that's not what I want. Okay, nope, too high. Okay, perfect, this is great. Okay, so we see the December high, and this is what we are today. So if we put a trend line right here, all right, this is not the log scale, right? We can see right here, we broke, right? We broke. So anyone who's practically in the linear scale, we can see that we broke, right? It's green. We broke here. This was a support zone, as you can see it. Just trying to zoom for you guys right here. Okay, so we broke. So many investors, traders, they decided to hop in, right? And for those who sold there, well, huge gains right there, right? And it's not just Bitcoin that's pretty much high. A lot of the altcoins, right? So this was the low right here, acting as a key support right here, and we've been staying there for a couple of days, right? As we know. Um, I mean, since April 1st, right? March 30th. So just gonna draw for you guys why this is such a huge support right here. As we can see, the prices has been really consistent at this price, right? Around $6,000. Uh, let's just change this, probably blue, right? Right, blue. Not even that, we can even go higher, just about right here, and we can see that this has been the huge support for us right here, and we haven't been going lower. But I believe that if we go lower, it's going to get pretty bad. This is going to be a support right there, and this will be probably the next support right here. It's just technical analysis, pretty logic, where we'll be going. Yes, it's a little bit higher. Just stay safe in a way. So yes, this will be a support right here, and that's what range is this. This is around $5,000, right? And there's so much more support right here. This is another support that you can find, $3,000, which is a price that would be so amazing to buy Bitcoin, right? So yes, now let's see. So here, this is what we have today. Illusion spike right here. If you have the 4 EMA, basically that's the an indicator right here. We have the RSI. We can see the RSI is overbought, so you just have to watch out. If you're trying to buy Bitcoin, I wouldn't suggest you to buy Bitcoin or most altcoins right now because you pretty much missed the hop in. But that is your own risk. This is not financial advice. This is up to you. So why I believe that Bitcoin will unfortunately is still in a bear market, and I don't believe it's a bull run, and you should be careful with this. Simply, we're gonna check this out right here. So we're just gonna change this to maybe the 4-hour, right? No, let's go with the daily. All right, with the daily, we're gonna go with the log scale right here. You can find the log scale right here. This changes basically the metrics. So we're gonna do the same thing what we did with the other chart, right? But this is on the log scale, and this log scale I love to use it for the long-term picture, right? And that's why I will not be basically investing right now. You can day trade definitely. This is I guess right now it's a trade zone. You know, you can trade because now we know where Bitcoin is going. It's going a little bit up right now, right here. So we're gonna see. So nope, we're not gonna change this green. Of course not. Of course not. This is a resistance right here, right? It's a resistance, right? So prices are trying to go up. We're gonna see if we can test this level. As you can see right here in this zone right here, this has been a key resistance right here, right? We've double top, double top, double top. So this, if according to basically the trend right there, the bear market, right? We're under this trend line. I believe Bitcoin will probably could hit this level. You know, this right here, especially is being a resistance, and will probably bounce back right down. And it's amazing that Bitcoin is actually going up because it gives you more time to actually buy Bitcoin when it goes lower, right? So if it keeps going low, then we're just gonna hit the bottom pretty fast. So for people who are trying to work and try to basically charge up their fiat, their money, right? It's even better that Bitcoin is going up. And for those who are trading, amazing gains, amazing gains. So that's pretty much it. How I see Bitcoin right now. So definitely be careful out there for those who are traders, investors, and so on. Basically, don't FOMO in. You know, try to control your emotions and try to take wise decision. If you're not trained to be a trader, don't try to be a trader. Take time to basically learn your craft and so on, and then start trading. But definitely, trading is an amazing thing, an amazing way to get yourself some income, right? So that's about it. So as we can see, that's the market cap. I don't know if it changed right now. I think it's pretty much sitting at the same price, 310 billion. So as we can see, Bitcoin has spiked more than $1,000 overnight, which is huge. So that's pretty much it. I thank you guys for tuning in into my channel. Once again, my name is Darylin. Please subscribe, please share, like, keep a comment down below. My goal really is to help people reach financial freedom. Ultimately, it's the ultimate goal for me and for a lot of people. You know, you don't want to be how you call that, left stranded as you get older and older and older, and you don't have money. You know, money is a way for you to do the things you love, whether you love playing sports, spending time with your family. You know, sometimes you don't want to spend time, all your daytime in a job. So definitely being able to get your financial freedom and do the things that you love is an ultimate goal. So just be careful out there, guys. Definitely invest wisely. Don't control your emotions once again, and everything will go fine. Of course, the market will become bullish in the future, in a couple months or so on. But for right now, I say right now, for those who are investing, I'm pretty definitely sure you could get a lot of better deals right now. So watch out with this, and thank you for tuning in again, once again, and take care.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.